And now let's dive in and talk about what you should turn into a snippet. And what I like to tell people as a rule of thumb is if you type or copy and paste something more than once, even if it's just twice, you should turn it into a snippet because that'll save you time and reduce typos in the long run since you don't have to recreate the wheel every time and you're not typing everything from scratch. Also, if you're in an organization, think about what content or messaging you use regularly, and if there's even one other person on your team or at your company that could benefit from using that too. And if so, turn it into a snippet and make sure you share it with them. And to help you get the wheels turning a little bit about what you can turn into a snippet in your own day-to-day workflow, think about anything that you've typed in the past that you commonly go back to. Maybe it's a note from a past meeting or a client session or something like an email that you sent a little while ago, and you go back to it and you keep copying either a phrase or a full sentence, or maybe even multiple paragraphs or the entire message. Those are things that you definitely want to turn into a snippet so that you don't have to always continue going back and copying and pasting every time. Some other examples are, say you're in customer support, things like customer replies for common questions or welcome emails, things like shipping confirmations. If you work in the healthcare field, things like medical abbreviations and drug classes. We actually have public groups that you can subscribe to for those, so you don't actually have to create those snippets yourself. But also think about things like care plans, documentation templates, and appointment confirmations. All of these things are prime examples of what you can turn into a snippet, and it'll be easy to use them day after day after day.